Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to discuss a problem in Codeforces, problem A. So, the problem states that they will give us integers x, y, z and our task is to find positive integers a, b, c such that x equals to max of a comma b, y equals to max of a comma c and z equals to max of b comma c. If it is possible to find ABC, we have to print those ABC in any order. Otherwise, we have to print it is impossible, so we have to print no. So the input contains the first line as t, which is number of test cases, and the next lines contains x, y, z. So to solve this problem, we have to make some observations. So let's see what those observations are. So this is observation 1. If all the elements are same, then we can directly print them. So for example, if x equals to 5, y equals to 5 and z equals to 5, then we can directly print ABC as 5, 5, 5 because max of 5 and 5 is 5 and max of 5 and 5 is 5 and also for the b, c values also max of 5, 5 is 5. So this is the simple observation. So let's see the observation 2. If the elements are not equal, it means x not equals to y not equals to z. Then we can't find ABC. So the output will be no. So let's take 2, 5, 6 as the XYZ. Then we have 6 combinations of forming XYZ. So those are 2, 5, 6, 5, 2, 6, 6, 5, 2, 2, 6, 5, 5, 6, 2 and 6, 2, 5. So if we take any combination also, then we can't find a, b, c values. So let us take the example of 2, 5, 6. So x is 2. So max of a, b we have to print. So let's assume that a equals to 2 and b equals to 1. And z equals to 6. So max is equals to max of b, c we have to find. So we have taken b equals to 1. So here also we have to take b equals to 1. And c should be 6. Because max should be 6. So now let's come to y. Y equals to 5. So we have to print max of a, c. Here a is 2 and we have to take c as 5 to come maximum 5. But already we have taken c is equals to 6. So ABC values don't exist for these cases. It means if all the elements are not equal, then the output is no. So let us see the next observation. So let us take x equals to y and y is less than both z and y is less than z and x is less than z. So let us take this case. So for example, x equals to 5 and y equals to 5 and z equals to 7. So let us make some possible conditions. If they are possible or not, let us check them. So this is x, y, z and maximum of a, b. So let us assume a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. So maximum will be 5. Till now, no problem. So next, it should be maximum of a, c. So a equals to 5 and c equals to 2. Let us take any value of c, which is less than 5, because max should be 5. So let us take c equals to 2. Next, for z equals to 7, it should be max of b, c. We have already taken b as 1, so b equals to 1. Now we can't take c as 7, because we have already taken c equals to 2. So for this condition also, the output will be no. So this is second case. Let's take a equals to 1 and b equals to 5. So for this case also, we can't produce the value of c. There exist two values of c, but we can't take two values of c. So let's take another observation. Observation 4. So here x equals to y and x is greater than z or y is greater than z because x and y are same. So we can take anything. X is greater than z. So let's take this example. X equals to 5, y equals to 5 and z equals to 2 because x should be greater than z. So we can take any value of z less than 5. So for this case, 5 x, y, z. And maximum of a comma b. I am taking a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. And for y, it should be maximum of a comma c. So I am taking here, as we take a equals to 5, we have to take a equals to 5. And let us assume c equals to 2. Because here we have taken b equals to 1 and max should be 2. So we can take c equals to 2. So we can make a possible solution for this. So we have to print yes. And our answer is 1, 5, 2. So we can take 1 and what is 5? Either x or y. So we can take 1 y z or 1 x z. So this is the possible case. So next take observation 5. So here x is less than y or x is less than z. Here the condition is y equals to z. So let us take the example as x equals to 4, y equals to 6 and z equals to 6. So for this, x equals to max of a comma b. So let us take a equals to 4 and b equals to 1. And next y equals to 6. So we have taken a equals to 4 and let us take c equal to 6 so that maximum will be 6. And for z equals to max of b comma c, as we have taken b equals to 1 and c equal to 6, so our maximum is 6 which is equals to z. So this is also valid condition. We have to print yes. And what are the values? 1, 4, 6. So we have to print 1, x means 4 and y means 6. So let's see the next observation. Here now I am taking y equals to z but x is greater than y. So let us take x equals to 6, y equals to 2 and z equals to 2. So x 6 equals to max of a comma b. So I am taking a equal to 6 and b equals to 2 or any other value. And 2 equals to max of, if we keep a equal to 6 then maximum will be 6. Let's see this case. So z equals to max of b comma c. So I have taken b equal to 2. So now I should take b equals to 2 and c is equals to 2 or c equals to 1. Nothing matters. So if we take c equals to 1 or 2, we can't find the a because here y should be 2. Y is 2. So we can't find such possible ABC. So we have to print no. Now the observation 7 is x equals to z and both the values are greater than y. So let us take this example. X equals to 5, z equals to 5 and y equals to 2. So 5 is equals to max of a comma b. Now I am taking b equals to 5 and a equals to 2. Next y is equals to max of a comma c. As I have taken a equal to 2, I have to take a equals to 2 only. Now c equals to 1. So this maximum is 2. Next z equals to max of b comma c. Z is 5. Then max of b comma c. As I have taken b equals to 5 here, we have to take b equals to 5 only and c is equals to 1. Here the case is possible. So we have to print 1, 5, 2. 1, x means 5, y means 2. Otherwise we can also print 1 comma z comma y. Next observation 8. Let's take x equals to z and y should be greater than x or z. So this is the example. X equals to 2, y equals to 5 and z equals to 2. So 2 is equals to max of a comma b. I am taking a equals to 2 which is x and b equals to 1. So this is possible and let us see this case. Z equals to 2 and it should be maximum of b comma c. So c equals to 2 and b equals to 1. And let y is equals to 5. So maximum of a comma c. Here we have to take a equals to 5. But previously we have taken a equals to 2. So we can't make such ABC values. So we have to print no. So these are the all observations, and we can directly code according to these. So the code is given in description box. So thank you guys for watching.